Hey friends, so I thought maybe let's sit down. It's the end of the month. Let's do a sinking funds update. I haven't did one of these in a couple of months. I have been dipping into some of these sinking funds. That's what they're there for, right? But I wanted to go ahead and update my numbers to see where I'm at with my sinking funds savings. So let's get right into the video. Hey y'all, so this will probably be a fast video. I don't have millions in these binders. I did go through my binders and write down my starting amount for April. So April 1st, these are the numbers that we were starting with in our sinking funds. And we're gonna go ahead and hop right in to see where our envelopes are right now at the end of April. Okay, so starting with my main sinking funds binder, car maintenance. Car maintenance started off at $515 and it is now at $540. I probably should put my calculator near me because I do not do math in my head. Okay, so $515, so we're in the plus as far as car maintenance. So $540 minus $515, okay, so we're up $25. So $540 for car maintenance, perfect. Wedding, we started off April at $70, and wedding now have $100 in it. So we are up for wedding 100. This is a weird angle for me to be writing, but this is the most clear view for y'all. Okay, so $100 in wedding. Home, we started off at $85. We now have $130 in wedding, so we're up for that. Perfect. Business, we started off the month at $39 and we are now at $60 for business. Travel started off at $35. Travel is now at $10. So we're in the negative with that, so $10. Kids started off at $0. We did pull from kids this month. And we are back at $0. We did have to make some purchases. So still in the negative with kids. Self-care started off at $0. I don't believe these dates are right. I'm wondering if I meant to write 4/9, 4/14, 4/20, 4/25. Because I can't imagine that I haven't stuffed this since March. It just doesn't make sense. And I would have to go back and look at videos. But anywho, we're saying that self-care started off at $0. It currently has $5. So, I mean, that's more than what we started off with. Birthdays started off at $300. Birthdays now have $60. You all know my daughter's birthday was this month. So we now have $60. Emergency fund started off April at $1,825. Emergency fund now has $1,855. So we're up a little bit there. Joey Jr. started off at $37. We're now at $47. Okay, so we're up there. Alrighty, now we're at clothing. Clothing started off at $20. We did pull some money from clothing. Clothing is ending at $20. So this is not a negative or a positive. Okay. Savings started off at $640. Savings is ending at $700. So that's a plus there. Christmas started off at $100, and Christmas now has $130. Perfect. New car is a new envelope. So it did start off at 0 in the beginning of April. It's ending at 1,000 for new car. And then we're gonna go into our home buying binder and get the balances of the only 2 envelopes that we have stuffed in here. We just started stuffing these 2 envelopes this month, so the beginning balance was at 0. We now have $130 in earnest money and $130 in inspections. Perfect. So let's go ahead and add up these numbers to see where our sinking funds are. Okay, so 540, 100, 130, 60, 10, 5, 60, 1,855, 47, 20, 700, 130, 1,000, 130, 130. Okay, so sinking funds total $4,917. Let me write that down. And then let me just get the previous amount. So 515, 70, 85, 39, 35, 300, 1825, 7, 20, 640, 100. So beginning balance for sinking funds, $3,666. Let's put that on here. And then we just need to know our difference. So 4,917 minus 3,666. So this month, for the month of April, we put in $1,251 into our sinking funds. So plus 1,251. And that is where our sinking funds currently stands going into May, y'all. We're starting off May at 4,917. Let's see how much we can put in our sinking funds for the month of May. That is all for this video, y'all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video, sitting down with me and figuring out how much we managed to save. You heard me say we, right? How much we managed to save in the month of April. Let's see if we can double this number in May, y'all. I believe we can. I mean, as hard as I've been working, I believe that we can double this number for the month of May. That is the goal. We shall see. I'll see you all in my next video, cash stuffing video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for watching. Please support, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe, of course, if you're not subscribed already. Let me know in the comments if you decided to subscribe so I can come to your channel and support you as well. We have to stick together in this budgeting community. Until next time, y'all. Peace.